Kublai P Baro Shakatup Kubor Jungi Kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimat Kibakong San Mentakas ni Kilong. Pediang Burom ka tim DBMN ha studio Yau Provincial Reverend John Zoziama. Hikai ka VHC halor ki jingma ban Shongka Khna hati saw. Pediang ka Megalia Police arpu arngut ki dekot Bathamai na West Khasi Hills. Ban mensaujur laingut hak aksiden ha Umdihar Riboy District. Bermentang ni apa ki kubor ki makamnya. Kakun hon Don Bosco Media Network. Hak step arpu sau tarik risau kala pediang burom Yau Reverend Padar John Zoziama Shillong Silesian Provincial hak jingwan jungo jong u yakinong tre hak ni kesni. Ya kejingalang pediang burom la penlong ha DBMN Studio hakaba Reverend Padar Michael Makri Managing Director ula ai ki kentin pediang sngob ha ya uni ukli jong kaseng Silesian ha Shillong Province ubalawan jungo wan ai mensim ya kenhun DBMN baro kawe hakani kesni. Reverend Padar Michael Makri ula penpauru ke jing sngongu ya ki jing sebun baka seng Silesian kala kershan borba ban kentiu ya kane kala pathai kubor syaki kenjang ki bahajrong lengba ki kubor ki batei ya kalong briu man briu ka akor ka burom ha ka imlang salang bat kamtam ya ka mensim it blay. Ulapan itu ya baro kinong tre ha u provincial. Ha ka jing kran ai mensim bat jing kentu kan pam. Reverend Padar Provincial ulapan kan mau ya ke jing krau kabor bat jing koridor kilat pathai kubor hakini ki por menta ula ai jing mut ka baong kan mau ban ai bat ban penpriang ya ki kubor ki babha ki badon ka jing shisha bat ki bajiati kena ki basyo sngo nang ni nang tai ula ong ru ki pat ba ki sliang ban yo i bat ban ngap ya ka kubor babha ki bano shliang shane shatai ula ajing mudru ban tre kum kawe ka kenhon tim kabadon ka jing sngo shipara ka bakloi ban ya trelang bat ka ba pediang ya ki jing bha ba jing duna mar keliang ula pen slur ya ka kenhon DBMN da ka baong ki pat ba ki khmi lenti bon ki khubor ba bha bat basisha na ka tim jong pi bun urlong ya kata ka jing sliang bat jing angnu jong ki pat ba na ki kti jong pi Uba OL Marbanyang ula ai kejingkran kublai sngongo ya kejing plat por jong provincial ban wan jongo kerpang kum ukpa ya ka team hakani kesni.
As we are working together, Don Bosco style of working, this one is this because we have to work together as a team. So Don Bosco insisted so much on this, on collaboration with the lay people. Not only the fathers cannot do, only the brothers cannot do. This way we have lay people like you who are expert and who are also ready to collaborate, ready to work with us, and we are working together as a team, as a family. We are working together. Don Bosco always insisted that family atmosphere, family spirit should be there. So we are colleagues. Yes, we are coming from different places, different villages and different regions. But as we are coming together as a team, we must be able to appreciate one another. We must be able to respect one another, accept each other and work together. And also accepting the other colleagues as our own friends, as our own brothers and sisters, and working together. That is Don Bosco institution. Wherever he started and wherever we are supposed to create that kind of family atmosphere. And so when we feel that we have that, we belong to this one, and we experience that family atmosphere, family environment, and then love and understanding, then we will feel like coming to work also. It will not be anymore a burden to come to work, because it is like my second home, because most of the time maybe I'm working here, most of the time I'm doing my work, and so that is instead of staying at home. So I stay at home only in the evening and then maybe at night, then the whole day maybe I may be working. It is something like our workplace is like a second home. So if we can create a sense of belonging, then we will be happy also. We will be happy to work together. We will be able to work all together as a team. So I invite you and also encourage you to continue to work together as a team. Feel at home when you are working. Your working place is like your second home here, and together with the fathers to work together for the good of the society, and especially to communicate and to give positive news and also to influence them.
Kesorkar jela lengba katunat penroi ya kakwat kekia Health Department kala sedang ban penjur ya kajing hikai padba halor kajing ma naka syongka syongman kena kisam lalut hagi ni kisngi. Hakajan mid arpulai tarik risau kanong Stein Civil Hospital kala penlong ya kajing yalang padba hasnong tisau ban hikai bat pensyai sye kisamla kikimi kikpa bat ikinong kitkam kasnong halor kajing ma kabami na kajing syongka kena kibalakan reha kane kapor. Ka Village Health Council VHC rengkat kajingnya trelang ke dor barsnong tisau kala penlong ya kajingnya lang hikai bat pensyai halor kajing ma jong kajing syongka kena ya kisamla bat kikmiki kepa hagani kasnong ya kate kajingnya lang layo ban penlong hakajan mi jong ka arkulai terik urisau hapo ka yeng dor bar kasnong harengkat kajingnya dan lang usordar ki counselor na katanat ka kot kia ki khon samla kasnong bat kiwe hakane ka jingya lang ka kong Pidalin Nongbri adolescent health counselor bat ka kong Rubinel Nongsit lady health visitor civil hospital Nongston kilalong kinong hikai bat kinong pensyai ya ki samla bat ki padba halor ki jingma ki bami na ka syongka kena la kilong ki kentei ni kishenrang kini arngut kila batai sani bha ya kene kaphang ha kane ka jing lang pai ba kila kentu ya ki samla lut ban kiar na ka jing tur khomo shaka shongkha shongman khna panban de ban pentibet shwa yala de hakikam ki jam ban sumar bha yala kamer ka phat ban yo ya ka jing ko jing khia ka ba biang ki borsnong ki kimi ki pa bat ki samla ki layo shibun ki jing mantoy ki jing shai bat jing sngo thu ki bayadei bat ki jing ma na ka shong kha shong man khna na ka ni ka jing yalang
layo so ambe yala jom syak khat samla lut de kita nama bengi la categorize la don la ka jong ka stage de hak be dei bakini ki jing long samla lut ki jong phi de don ka jing changes hakamet de hak changes hakamet ka jing change ka jing kala haka haka jing macam perkat ka jing kala haka emnang salang bat ka jing kala ro haka jukum sngau katangi on ki physical ka social ka emotions bat ka mental abang yepet ya ka physical kemut ya ka ai dengan on physical dia ka nu ka badai bat ka mek ka jingi ka kom he ka kom san ka growth development ka jingi haka bateng teng yo I bangi change neng I ka jingi pher hapeng khilung ibana khandai snam bat ma phi ki bala khat snam nei jika don lu kata ka jing pher ha ka ba ka jing mu chim per khat ka jingi kumnung I per khat ka creative thinking ka idea ka jingi ka ya pher ba tu khina dranglet tengi ju hapan su thu balada don pressure ni hap ban don kata ka self control ma ka bangin hapan control ya jong ban ha ban em ha ki khap ki ban kam ban ho on ni la ban ho on pat ha ki khap ki ban kan ban em ni hap ban ban em nama ka tin em baru khat ni yo bet ban de ka de yong phi kum na ma phila ban le ka de ka shong haka jing snow ko jong phi
de kat kan ni ka kabu bangan yo barbar nga set let tersuling iwe teng lain ngosongot ani ngasong syam sita yom dapat ne mata pada haka juk ka ke jingkran haka juk kat ne ting ngasno kemen sibun yakin penian paki yalalum kat ne ki adolescence namar ba nakden juk phi wala phi bat triang ka ai ka ba phi osngau ani ni me bandai osngau kum phi menta te thranga katan yo dang don tang wei angut khun tang ba de namar ba ngintip ni la wat lok kloi ngintip ya takajing de kamur ba ikun mak bon ba te ngamut ban ongum ta ba menta ngin ya thu ya ta katin age pregnancy kumba ngi ong kan ka topik menta haba ong teen age kamut badang dei
Katanat pulit jong kajala Meghalaya kalayo sa arpu arngut ki pulit bathamai ki bakan thup khat nyongut ki recruit constable but san ngut ki follower ki bala pendep ikijing shahikai training nakaktem 4th MLP IRBN Sopian Nongston kakong CA Lengwa Deputy Inspector General of Police kalalong kakong san haka passing out parade jong kini ki pulit bathamai haka arpu sauterik risau ha Sopian kani ka passing out parade kalalong ka scene bakandai nakani ka ketem hagani ka passing out parade la sakhiru da Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills ba Garrett LSN Dykes u Superintendent of Police PD Marak u Commandant ka 4th MLP Battalion Rupam R Marak bat bongut ki officer bat ki bahyeng hasam jang ki arpu arngut ki pulit bathamai
They platoon from 1st Battalion Battalion in Maoyong, led by Bandmaster ADSI Tuan DS Pangma. Who have undergone their basic training course from 2nd January 2024 till today, 24th October 2024. Madam, 4th MLPBN, who was raised in the year 2002 with its headquarters at Sopian, West Cassius District. This unit has since been imparting training to recruit constables since 2006. This is the 9th batch of recruit constables who are successfully graduating their basic training course from this unit. Madam, the training started with introduction of basic drills, movements and area familiarization. The intensity of the training was gradually increased with introduction of field craft, map reading, weapons and tactics, road marches, rate and ambush, radio signal and communication, fire control, riot control, counterintelligence operations and jungle warfare. Madam, the training was still intensified further by subjecting them to stressful situations, combat drills and endurance runs. They were also trained to overcome war obstacles, trench assaults, and covert and overt reconnaissance, ultimately culminating into a 2-day, 2-night extreme fatigue exercise withstanding heavy rain. Not only have we made them strong physically, ma'am, we have also tried to improve their intellectual ability. We have imparted classes on new criminal laws, Police Act, Assam Police Manual, MB Act, POCSO Act, and UAM Act.
On this passing out parade.
Hakaway ka jingja tengku kali. Langut kibriu kila mensaujur hadian bakaway ka Maruti Alto kabalapan hairstad da unongnya kalalek tenra na kibenta basyadin jogaway ka truk kabayeng Harut Surok ba NH06 ha Dihar Riboy District. Karkum ka khubor balayo lum layat hu bakani ka jingja aksiden kalaja ha step arhusau tarik risau ha kapor San Sao Pau AA ha kaba ka we ka kali Maruti Alto kabadan yu number ML05W5094 kalapan hairstead bat unongnya umla syu ban bat lakam ya ka kali ulalet ban tenra ya ka kenro bat rengkang syasilyang bat tenra ya ka we ka truk kitmar kabadan yu number AS01DD9728 kabadang yeng Harut kanika Surok ba. Ha kanika jingja langut kibriu kibasyong ha kanika kalirit kilaman saujur. Ki pulit kanongpo traffic branch kilalit marmar syakate ka jaka ban penkitno ya kibah mensau syanongpo civil hospital. Namar kini langut kilaman saujur lakitno ya ki sya super care hospital Shillong ban yo ya ki jing sumar kibabiang. Ka jingmi kinong krong khajna bean na kinong rap ka than ribhoy haga gate ka badon hasnong mausang kala penlong ya kinong yalam ka Hill Farmers Union HFU haka arpu saw tarik risau kilai pen kendo ya UEM revenue ba Alvin Saukme pan ujor halor ka jing o khajna bean ki kalikit jhur jong kinong rap na kani ka than hadin ka jinga kendo ba UEM u General Secretary HFU ba Alfon Karsenteu ulayathu hakilar pathai khubor ba UEM ulakular ban shem khia ban toket yakani ka kambean uba Alfon ulayathu ru daka baong ka HFU man ka por ka urj ki bor ki ba hajrong ya ka no ka jingle don bor ya ki nong rep ki ba jaus ep pat im jakpo na karep karyang ulakan tu ya UEM revenue ban wengklo yakini ki jing e jong ki nong rep hakathan paro kawe
ini dokumen ba makasih ila yo ban yang kendu ya ba Alvin Saukme bide EM jongka revenue adin ke jengni jongka tu ka news ka ba kinograp ke syakrong khajna haka tu ke giat ke badan apa mosang ke badan apa Ribhoi district dan abaliang jongka seng nila paro ya ka city jong DC jong Ribhoi dan meta kesni ngelawan ya kapan kendu kerpang yang jongka revenue adin ke jingnya keren ke jongi ka jubab na IM kala penun ini dah ka ba I la ai khule ya ka Hill Farmers Union bakalawan chakmat ban ra da ka jingtho ban ai ya kani ka city ban snow sa ka office halor kani ka jingja te ka basutana te ru kalong ba na kaliang ka jong IM ila krenchai ba kum kini ki bajia ki long ki jingja ki ba pen kindet ya ka office ibra away badru kalong ke jingja ka basusi ba kum kini ki case kabaka office kampoi perkhan te nakaliang ka jongi ila shim ya ka jingkit kli ila kularu yani kum kinong yalam jong kinongrat ke Hill Farmers Union ba iong ba insalum ya barokhat kini ki ba shim tenda na ka CDC ha ka bidi ke gi ba insapulong ya ka meeting na Monday la ni Tuesday ipala ban fix ya ka por but iong ru ba nakaliang jong office in sapha biang na jingtho shaki ba kimdei ya ka ban krong lani ban shim khajna ya ki mar jong nongrat ba mi ka jalla te lapen song thu ru yani ba kindon katuk ane ka bidei ba ka ki brio ki banabar lani ki dikhar ki bawan ban khai ha ka jalla ga jini ila panchai ru yong ha ka bidei begitu nakaliang jong ka office tandon la ka jong ka rule ka an ya ka bidei ban shim ya ka khajna ka ta jong ki in dokumen ya ka jing tindu jongi minta ka sni lagi ba ni next camp ba kumba ngala krencha ya ka tu kan news ru
ka metap e sangma ka kurem menteri rangba konrad ke sangma kala thep kerteng ba ya khun ya ke election shiteng samoy na gambegre ha ka arpusaw tarik risau ha office returning officer hatura kane kalong keme ka baladon arngut ki khun kanya khun kum ka kertong jo ka seng National People's Party NPP ka seng san hima bala seng nongrem bat peni perthei da upurno agitok sangma ukthau jongka pat ukpa jong menteri rangba konrad ke sangma hadien ba ula eno ya ka seng Nationalist Congress Party NCP bat ya ka seng Trinamool Congress Party TMC
Nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Full name.
Full name.
No particular right. Full name. You just put your initial.
Initial, huh?
It's already written.
Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kelasai de Bernard and Marak MDC ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Banyak kun haki election shiteng samoy na gambegre persya yaki wei pat ki kertong bakentup ya ujingjang Marak Kongres ka Sadhiarani M Sangma TMC ka Mehtab Chandi E Sangma jong ke NPP bat arngut ki kertong shimet hakani ka kenti. Bernard ulat hep kerteng haka arkusau tarik risau ha office returning officer hatura.
Hai Gambiri constituency ni manderang na central ni scheme rang ko jikai PMAY aro job card jikon de lokos ngabarang ko na warang na ni nagchang agre sokat na mangin
anga election ongja banga antoni songni nokni manderangni nene kani rangko khana niroki kham karonga aro mongso mate chinga BJP ni ongani geman BJP ni ona tengba scheme rang songni nokni manderang na sokama sokja so khana ni ko sandironga aro chingade mokhangni kham khana manja gemuk nan scheme rang sokna nangga parang je mangan manderang scheme ko manna nanga gemuk manna nanga uni geman ya election ba chingni rem khangani chini kham khani Gambiri area ba chinga mija flat mama ba nikri kaha bangbadan nok mama ba dongja nok banang parang BPL card mama ba dongja wan dakaba bosar hon kani geman chinga aro kring batte kham khana kata dawya Gambiri election no chinga raken jakhude inga jakhude gen arinan chinga dal nomination ba ka oni man Gambiri ni manderang ko saksa ko wakchang ge chinga mai ka niroki kham khana mangen songni manderang na mai kai chinga dengtang thang scheme rang ko sokatna mangen yan chini khangapa ar dakbat ka maksoni ong.
So do you think your standing is strong in this election?
Yes, very much. Because, see, we work at the grassroots. And the people of grassroots, they understand.
Kakasi Student Union Shillong Mii Circle. Hakajan mid arpusau tarik risau. Hadin bakalayo yakajing ujor nakaway kalong kami kabala Wanshim Dawai Hanigrims Hospital. Kabala keno bakalasya jrongkti haway u doktor gynecologist hakapor baka Wanshim Dawai nakateka hospital haka arpulai tarik risau. Nakaliang ka KSU Shillong Mii Circle haka arpusau tarik risau. Kalalit banya kendo ya u medical superintendent bad ya u director jang kateka hospital Dr. Nalin Mehta banyak kran halor kane kajing ujor palayo kaseng. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor u education secretary Samla Jeremiah Potmi ulayat ho bakine arngut ki kle jang kane ka hospital kilayo ya ka ujor nakibahayeng hasam jang kata kalong kami. Ka hospital ru kalathung daka komiti ban tokit benya ya kane kajing ujor. U director ulaong ka hospital kalara ya kane kajing ujor syaka internal committee bon ki dekot ki deki doktor kentei ban tokit benya bat rai hapo khandai posngi amdan kanu kabor ka ban Lucia ya kijing tokit kane ka committee ulaong
ba Ivan sim dawai mo Ivan sim dawai kijing tu doktor jong ti ni la jong ti i te ko isu tu ba doktor da mo kadega kam ju ni mo ban pek ban sumar ki pang wisdom pat lada sa bele untuk lang kedol lagi semua deh iong ta kedol ju semua ba doktor ni ban kis kan tu ban le sexual harassment ni ta dan nak lang lagi tai la semua tu ba la kham jong sistai te kata ya kata te ngimla bentuk nomor wangi ngimla ta ban no ban bor na ban pos na no dai maki ki amaki ki i swa ya kan nika pecai nika rajun komiti belum no pada slow la slow ba ki justice din pedang ada tim sempat siap
Kajian ini di operation
di operation
club ni tu
Santasing.
Oh dia doktor apa?
Oh dia
gynecologist. Oh, gani.
Kajian mana mesti? Di ini patient Iwan ni tu.
Mentas ni dah di kemban
Tofi ang inform niya kami ka committee. Sila man kung siya
la sa jing sa na kalang committee kala pa ka copy ba kinsong la sa te na kalang jong director jong niglum lang ba let's say kani kanchimport maximum kana pusi sila ang bam por sisni asmina pusi na siyong kidatis te long hapok na pusi pat long ka result layo ban niru inang i-up ito result
mga ta kada ka maximum days kan ba ki aipor kan mga kaliang ka hospital route mga kini ka committee bakin pendak po ka ndai pau sing kata kada ka maximum bakila garanti kan kaliang ka hospital route
yung ba staff
Pada kitu ki kubuan la poisha bakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.